Today, I want to talk about Pinterest automation so that you can scale your business on Pinterest, which is a very, very good platform to do so. So, what is Pinterest automation? Pinterest automation is when you can use software tools to generate, schedule, and actually pin your pins on Pinterest. You can use all of these new AI tools to create beautiful pins that are attractive for the users. You can have a smart schedule, so it schedules for you when it's the best for your audience, and it also does the pinning for you. You don't have to sit there with your little calendar and like fine tune where to put what post in and figure out what text to write or all of those things. Automation does all that for you with the help of AI. So you just set up your campaign, tell the AI the number of pins that you want to make, and then lets the smart process take off and do it for you. And Pinterest automation is actually very important to be able to scale, to get the maximum marketing that you can do on the Pinterest platform. A lot of people are just sitting there, spending hours to create 10 to 5 pins and do their marketing. That's what I've been doing also, spend all of this time to like have just the perfect template and then put all of those text on it, and then like that work is just a lot, and it consumes you. It consumes your time while you could go out and do other money-making processes instead. And a lot of digital marketing agencies just kind of gave up on Pinterest because they say that it's too much work, too much energy, it costs a lot, and there's not enough reward, not enough results. So this is where automation comes into play. With automation, Pinterest automation, you can make 750 pins. So you can really max out on your marketing on Pinterest. And this is a fantastic way to scale your business on Pinterest. Of course, Pinterest algorithm doesn't let you to do like a billion pins because it will tell you that you are a spammer, especially if you just reuse the same link over and over again. So that's a big no-no. But if you build it up correctly with Pinterest automation, with artificial intelligence, you can get the max amount of marketing, Pinterest marketing, and you will put out massive amount of pins, and you can get a ton of traffic to your blog, to your website, to your YouTube channel, to your TikTok store, whatever you need the traffic to go to. And Pinterest automation enables you to quickly create and schedule your pins with a little time per month, basically, and like really scale your business to its potential. So some of the results that I've known about were like there's a small company who was implemented Pinterest automation on their Pinterest account, and within 6 months they were pulling 5 million impressions, which is quite impressive for anyone, but especially for someone who is not like a big company or anything like that. And another marketer was able to increase their click-through rate with like 5,400 percentage. So that's a really huge boost in your sales and your income basically. And another marketer I know started a new Pinterest account, wanted to do affiliate marketing, and with Pinterest automation was able to build up his account in 6 months to make $23,000 per month, which is kind of unheard of when someone's new to affiliate marketing and starts off just a new Pinterest account. So this is the power of Pinterest automation. And, there are people who are already doing this, and they find that being able to scale is very important. And using Pinterest automation tools enables them to do that in a very short time of every month, basically. So let me tell you about the tool that I like. This is the best tool I found, and I tried all the Pinterest automation tools that are currently out there. This one is called Vision Quest. It's a very new tool, and it is full of potential. It is designed to be a full end-to-end automation platform for Pinterest. It is very easy to use. You can just set up your campaigns for the month in like 30 to 60 minutes. So let me share my screen view. and show you Vision Quest. So this is the platform. It's a very simple, very sleek design, and you can generate images up to 1,000. Depends on the package, of course, and you can only do it in like a few minutes, and you're good to go for a month. You have a month worth of visuals for Pinterest, basically. But that's not all. Let me show you. So let's say I want a campaign for let's say work from home, and this is my email address where I will be notified when my creations are ready. And here's when I describe my images. I have this little demo text here to show you. A 35-year-old woman working on her laptop in her cozy home office. She looks happy, she's smiling, and she's looking into the camera. Morning light is streaming in. So this is what I tell the AI to create the images for my campaign for this month. And you can be more detailed. You can even have less text here. The AI is smart enough to figure out. We have some, with the AI, we can create prompts, and we can adjust whatever we want. But the AI usually is like smart enough to output good things. And you can choose then your style. You can have photorealistic, or almost like a high-end magazine style, or you can select cartoon, watercolor, sketch, comic, illustration, whatever fits your campaign, whatever fits your style, your marketing intent, you can just select that one. And here you can select the resolution and size. I will go with Pinterest because I'm doing Pinterest automation, but you can select any kind of style, and you can also have custom style here. And this is a very important part. This is where the magic happens. As you probably know, most AI tools that create images are very limited in terms of how many images you can create all at once. And I've been spending like a lot of time just trying a prompt and then getting 4 results that are like tiny little bits, and then I enlarge them and then download them one by one. It's very time consuming, and I usually spend like 2 to 3 hours to get like 10 to 20 decent images that I could use. So with this app, it's crazy. You can say like, I want 80 images, and it's only 80 because I already used up my credit from the 1,000. But you would have 1,000 to start, and it will tell you how many you have left. And you can always buy more, so it's not a problem. And every month you can get your 1,000 back, or 2,000 if you're a bigger user. There are bigger packages as well. And once for this demo, I'm gonna do just 4. Because I don't want to use up all my credits. And then here, it's another magical place. You can set up the AI to create your pin titles and pin descriptions as well, which is crucial because without the proper text, the proper keywords, the proper description and optimized text, your pins just won't show up where you want it to show up. So it is very important that your marketing intent is described properly. And also, you probably know Cosmopolitan sells a lot more newspapers than some other newspapers because they figured out how to put good text there, good descriptions. So you want something that really speaks to people, talks to people, and uses your keywords and your marketing voice. So this is where you can make all that happen very, very easily. Here you can just describe your marketing intent, such as I'm promoting work from home business for moms, for example, because why not? And I have a call to action. I want the call to action to be sign up. Sign up. I will learn to type at some point. Sign up for my free course. Not that I have a course, but this is just for the sake of example. And my keywords will be work from home, business for moms, and let's say side hustle, because why not? And the tone of voice that I want is friendly and actionable, and direct. You can also put a sample text here. If you have a previous campaign or you have your blog, you just have a little sample here. And then the AI will learn your style, you will learn your voice, and it will provide you the copy just as you have written it. And I set up my campaign here. I put my description here about my image, selected the style, the size, the number of images, and I enabled the AI to create the copy for me as well. And then I hit create. And my creations are being submitted and will arrive in email. I will get a notification in email. Even if I go and get like 200 images or 500 images, I don't have to sit here and wait. I can go, that's all my job. I can go now and do other income generating activities. Don't have to sit here, don't have to wait around. I will get an email notification when all my creations are done. And then in a CSV file, I can just download them, or I can upload it to anywhere else if I want to utilize it somewhere else. So this is it. This is a fantastic tool that I've been exploring for some time now. And I want to show you this view as well, the gallery view. This is where you can see your images. Well, this is one place. And if you need like them individually to download them for a campaign or a Facebook marketing or just to put it in your email or anything else, you can download them individually by clicking these little download icons as well. And as you can see, the images are really gorgeous. So this AI generator provides really beautiful images. I've been very satisfied with the results. I find that even though, you know, AI still do some crazy stuff every once in a while with fingers and things like that, 6 fingers, sometimes it appears in images, it provides some really amazing images, and I can use 99 out of 100, while on some other platforms I tried, I could use maybe like 50% max, like this, because there was just not what I wanted, and somehow this AI gives me what I want. So it's fabulous. I also have the details here about my creations. So this is for a demo, and this was the title that the AI created for us based on our keywords and marketing intent. Effortless marketing for female service providers. Very descriptive, using the keywords. It's perfect. You can use it on your pins or in the pin title or both. And you have the description as well, based on the voice. And here's the prompt that we used. It was very similar to what I just used now, but it also included the baby. And you can see the babies on the pictures. They're very cute. And it also added some hashtags for me. And this is all the information I shared for to defining my voice. You can filter here, you can group by, you can download all this data for yourself if you want to use it somewhere else, or you just want to store it for yourself for future. And let's see if my creations are ready yet. They're not yet. It takes a couple of minutes to, you know, the email flying into my inbox and things like that. But let me show you this area. It is fascinating. This is where you design and then schedule your pins. You can see all your images that you created, and you can decide which one you want to design. And then you can select them, whichever they say ready for design. This is your title that the AI created for you. Here is your description. And you can add the link as well, so it can take your users or your visitors to wherever you want them to go. And there are some other amazing features that I really, really love. One is import images. So not everybody wants AI images on Pinterest, but they still want to be able to create pins very easily with the help of AI and schedule it perfectly with the help of AI. You can use that feature here to import an CSV of your images, your existing images. You can download a sample, so make it super easy to do that, or you can just create it for yourself by using these details. And then click import, and it imports it for you. and you can work with those. They will show up here, and then you can just do the same process with them. And there's also the box settings. So if you want, for some reason, your images that you are scheduling at once to have the same title or the same short text, because, for example, you're a blogger, and then you have like let's say a Pinterest marketing tips tag or like a section that you like to use. You can have that repeating on all of your pins, and each can have its own title and description. So you can be like very creative with it. You have a lot of control over what you do, but you can just use the AI to do the work for you. And you can select an outbound link for multiple pins if that's what you'd like to do. And let's see, go to the scheduler. So now I am going to design my pins. It creates them automatically. And you can see the little spinner here. And let's see, do I like these? I think they are okay, but if I want, I can recreate them, and it will give me another template. And the templates are improving. There's more and more templates coming in. There will be smart templates as well, which just picks the perfect colors from your images, and it matches your image and then creates a visually stunning pin, basically, based on what you have. So you can also edit these. You can change the color if you'd like, and you can add the short text here as well, if that's what you prefer. You can change the display title, or you can change the title and save it. And then once it renders for you, then you can just go ahead and schedule your pins. I already connected my Pinterest account, so it shows which Pinterest account I'm going to schedule these. And then here you can select your boards. I need to add description to these boards, but let's say I want this board, this Pinterest Marketing AI Tools 2024 board, to have my pins. So I have selected that, and I can say how many pins a day I want to schedule, and I can select which time zone I want to focus on. I want to say, let's say Pacific, and this is the start date when my pins are started to schedule. Since I'm only selected 2, I can, it doesn't matter how much I select, but when you are mass creating and mass scheduling, you can just say, okay, I have an established account. I want 25 pins a day, which is really good, and it maximizes your traffic on Pinterest. And you can change these if you want to post in a different time zone, because for some reason your audience isn't, you find that it's better. But the smart pin button that it's coming out, I think in a couple of days, I've been told by the developers, it will just do it for you, so you don't have to worry about it at all. And then click schedule, and now you scheduled all your pins. So this is actually a fantastic way to really grow your marketing, your Pinterest marketing, take it to the next level. So I urge you to give it a shot, and it has a 7-day free trial. You can just click on the link below this video and try it out for yourself. Create some crazy, beautiful images for your Pinterest marketing, and I wish you a lot of customers, a lot of clients, and a lot of success. Bye.